today's video, I will talk about time series charts. Time series chart is an illustration of data points at successive time intervals. They are perfect for reports based on continuous surveys, such as pulse surveys. Time series charts illustrate the development of variable over time, for example, changes in employee satisfaction. Time series charts are compatible with the following question types: multiple choice, rating scale, image choice, sub-questions in matrix multiple choice, and recommendation score. The default layout of time series charts depends on the question or variable type that the chart is based on. To add time series charts, go to Report, click on Add Report Element icon, and select Time Series. Select the variable the chart will be based on and click Next. Select the time variable you will be crossing the previous variable with. You can choose between start time and invitation time. Start time refers to date and time respondents started answering the survey. Invitation time refers to date and time respondents were invited to take the survey. Once you have chosen your time variable, click Next. Choose a time period for your chart. You can define a time period or use the drop-down menu to choose predefined time period. Once you have chosen a time period, click Add. Your chart will be created and added to your report immediately. This chart here shows how effective was the instructor in delivering the material crossed with the invitation time over the last 7 days.